Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, the 26th of March, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, there is no homework as we started our Module 13 test today, and we will continue it tomorrow. In science, periods numbers 1, 6, 7, and 8. During Warrior Time, you need to check both pages 1 and pages 2 of your rock guide book for completion. You can go see Mrs. Murray about the different, you can go see Miss Falk in regards to that during Warrior Time. Make sure that you have the pictures of the rocks drawn. In social studies, we've got an Islam form that is on Google Classroom. Make sure you do your reading from your religion packet before answering the questions. In language arts, our Woolly Mammoth Planner is due tomorrow. Make sure that you are also ordering your yearbook. And also, our tests that we have over the writing process is coming up on Thursday, and there is a study guide link here in Classroom for you to go to. In literature, you need to read 30 minutes tonight, as our AR points are due May 17th, and that two months from now is going to come pretty quickly. That's it for this Tuesday. Everyone have a great one.